In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the wildcard chip in Fantasy Premier League. First, open the application Fantasy Premier League and then head over to Fantasy at the bottom of the screen. After that, you need to head over to Transfer section. Now make all the transfer you want to. The wildcard gives you unlimited transfers without any points deduction. Once you have finished building your new team, tap Play Chip and select Wildcard at the top right corner of the screen. Then confirm your transfers before the game week deadline. Unlike the free hit chip, the wildcard is permanent. That means your new squad will stay the same for future game weeks until you make more transfers. The best time to use your wildcard is when your team needs a complete refresh, whether it's because of injuries, poor form, or a good fixture swing. One important thing to remember is that once you activate and confirm your wildcard, you can't undo it. So always double check your team before confirming. So that's it. That's how you use the wildcard chip in Fantasy Premier League. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe.